दोस्तों आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ लड़की पटाने का सबसे आसान तरीका क्या है।
You're probably wondering, is this video true? Why is this guy not uploaded anything? What the fuck does this guy even mean? Don't worry, I will answer all of your questions. As everyone knows, 14 February is approaching. And by the time you guys get to see this video, because the guy who I've hired to edit my videos sucks.
Ooh, self-burn. Those are rare.
It's probably going to be first week of February. With that said, a lot of people are suffering through this disease called being single as fuck.
Oh, come on. I've never heard of such a thing. I haven't heard of it, obviously.
To you guys, I think you should stay that way. To everyone else who's got a little potential of finding someone for Valentine's Day, don't. Because people are forgetting. Valentine's Day also happens to be the one day the member of this one particular group are very enthusiastic.
But when I see you
I'm not going to say their name, but it rhymes with B. It starts with B. It's not the beehive. With that said, I went on the internet for you guys to find out some tips, tricks, tutorials to get laid. I'm kidding, to get a girlfriend. औकात में रहो सब लोग. And this is what I came up with. And let's get into today's video.
दोस्तों अगर आप चाहते हो आपकी लाइफ में एक गर्लफ्रेंड हो, आपको करना ये है कि जो लड़की आपसे कम अच्छी दिखती है, मतलब कि वो आपसे दिखने में कम अच्छी है, उस लड़की पर ट्राई मारो।
So starting things off with our first video, here as you see this guy saying कि you should try on someone who is uglier than you. I had no idea. Thank you for telling me that.
ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर आप दिखने में एवरेज लुकिंग के लड़के हो तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लड़की को पटाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो। अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो वो नहीं पटेगी।
ब्रो मैं एवरेज लुकिंग अगर नहीं हूँ सो तभी क्या करना रहता है? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी दैट? आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. I have a friend who's constantly been messaging me, bro. I mean, I'm not an average looking guy. I'm a little below. तो क्या करना रहता है? Could you please help me out? Help my friend out. Help my friend.
अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा गुड लुकिंग हो तभी आप खूबसूरत लड़की को पटाने की कोशिश करना, वो तुरंत पट जाएगी।
Like I'm not going to even comment on what this guy is talking, but why is he editing that poor white chick का image like that? Like bro, migraine नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Any which ways your advice is giving me a migraine. तुम ऐसे edit क्यों कर रहे हो?
आप अपने स्ट्रेंथ के हिसाब से लड़की पटाओ। अगर आप दिखने में अच्छे नहीं हैं, ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं, तो आप उस लड़की पर ट्राई मारो जो आपसे दिखने में कम अच्छी है।
This guy said कि you should play to your strengths while talking to someone or while trying to date someone. Then उसके बाद he says try to go for someone who is uglier than you. Have you seen Indian guys? Bro, all of us are ugly. The next anyone who's uglier than us is us only. So I don't know what you're saying.
और जिन्हें बहुत कम लड़के लाइन मारते हैं, अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो मैं गारंटी लेता हूं दोस्तों, वो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड कुछ ही दिनों के अंदर बन जाएगी। देखो भाई, जो लड़की एवरेज लुकिंग की होती है उन्हें बहुत कम लड़के लाइन मारते हैं और वो हमेशा बॉयफ्रेंड के तलाश में रहती है।
Also ये edit क्या किया है dude? Like I don't understand. ये why I get it, face reveal नहीं कर रहा है cause घटिया advice है, but why are you editing this like I'm a 12-year-old watching this video? Also what was that? Can you repeat that again?
चाहती है कि उनकी लाइफ में एक बॉयफ्रेंड जरूर, तो आप इन्हें अगर लाइन मारोगे तो वो आपको रिस्पॉन्स जरूर देगी। और
Yes, exactly. Average looking girls are waiting for average looking guys to ask them out because they don't have anything else going for them. And I genuinely like the fact that this guy is assuming खुद से only के average looking guys का only aim is to get laid, to get a girlfriend. Bro, I don't understand. ये बंदा बार-बार बोल रहा है that you should, and I quote, line मारो on girls who are uglier than you. Bro, मैं बोल रहा हूँ they do not exist. Do you not understand? Not for me personally, but I'm telling you, girls are not uglier than guys. They just don't have personalities. They just don't have personalities. But
से बहुत लड़के ये वीडियो देखकर नाराज हो सकते हैं। वो बोलेंगे मुझे सुंदर गर्लफ्रेंड ही चाहिए।
नहीं, I don't think so. Anyone is saying this. नहीं, this is औकात के बाहर वाला बात. I don't think anyone's saying this. So the basic gist of this video was कि you date someone who's uglier than you, which I don't know, bro. My friend does not have someone who's uglier than him. And then finally you get into a relationship and then you know कि कैसे बात करते हैं, कैसे क्या करते हैं, and then you become an expert overnight, and then you can finally date someone who's prettier than you, which again नहीं होने वाला है. So that was video number 1. Let's get on to video number 2.
तो आप चलते हुए जा रहे हो और आपने एक सुंदर सी फॉरेनर लड़की देखी, आपका उससे बात करने को तो बहुत मन किया, पर आप उससे बात नहीं कर रहे. क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी कि आपने जैसे ही उस लड़की को देखा तुरंत उसको अप्रोच कर दो, रुको मत.
So after that killer intro, this guy says that he's gonna teach everyone how to land a foreign chick basically. Again, क्या unrealistic goal set कर रहे हैं लोग इंडियन गाइस के लिए, but like let's see.
क्यों? क्योंकि जब कभी भी हम रुकते हैं अपने मेमोरी में, अगर आप जाओगे पिछले बार जब आपने कोई सुंदर लड़की अप्रोच की थी, तो आप एक चीज़ ध्यान दोगे कि आप जब रुकते हो तो आपके माइंड में नेगेटिव थॉट्स आने लग जाते हैं, एक्सक्यूजेस देने लग जाते हैं.
ठीक है, fair enough. Apart from the intro, the first step sounds really nice. He basically said कि when you see someone you like, you approach that person, take action. ठीक है, don't let fear and doubt seep into your mind. ठीक है, I can understand where he came from. This is something good. Let's see. Let's continue. So this guy continues to say that if you find someone who's attractive or whatever. And if you can't speak their language, you approach them, use Google Translate and get the conversation started. Again, like, ठीक है, अब तक तो this guy has not done anything weird or creepy, so let's continue. Now, I was very shocked. I was like, कुछ stupid नहीं बोल रहा है. How am I supposed to make fun of him? Because this is what this channel is all about, making fun of people. So I was just looking for something and then this guy says this.
आपको ये बात समझना पड़ेगा, उसकी जो ज़रूरत है उसको पूरा करो, पर आपको दोस्त की तरह नहीं जाना, आपको लवर बॉय की तरह जाना है. तो अपना इंटेंशन क्लियर रखो.
Cause why not? So basically I've taken the liberty to go through his पूरा video and some of it was good, but end में he says this.
एक लड़की को अप्रोच करेगा, बोलेगा पैसा दे, भगा देती है. लेकिन एक बंदा आएगा यार, नोट की गड्डी लेके 1 मिलियन पाउंड ये लो, तो लड़की बोलेगी अरे मत दो मुझे. ऐसा नहीं बोलेगी ना, बोलेगी दो दो दो.
कुछ भी
And like, bro, if I had €1 million, you think I would be watching your stupid video? But credit where credit is due, a lot of his points what he said were good, even though बाप creepy शक्ल था उसका. Like, while I was watching the video, I was like, इसको कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है क्या? Anyways, this was not as bad as I expected. Let's go on to the third video, and as always, I've saved the best for the last. So let's see अभी देखते.
दोस्तों, अगर आपने कभी किसी अनजान लड़की को मैसेज भेजा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि फर्स्ट टाइम में तो लड़की कभी रिप्लाई करती ही नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा भाव खाती है. तो मैंने भी इसको मैसेज किया था पहले एक नंबर से, तो मैंने जेन्युइनली सिंपल तरीके से बात की तो उसने मुझे ब्लॉक कर दिया. दूसरी बार भी मैंने भाई ट्राई किया 1-2 दिन बाद, फिर उसने मुझे ब्लॉक कर दिया. तो थर्ड अटैम्प्ट में मैंने फिर अपना तरीका लगाया, बिल्कुल कमीनेपन पे मैं उतर आया और फिर मेरी उससे क्या बात हुई वो मैं अब आपको बताने वाला हूँ.
So this video probably sets the tone. This guy basically says कि I tried talking to this one chick, I got her number, I don't know how, and then she blocked me twice, cause why not? Instead of filing a police complaint when the third time he messaged her, she had a conversation with him. And I don't know, like, I don't know what to tell you guys, let's just watch the video.
मैंने उसको मैसेज भेजा हाय, तो उसका रिप्लाई आया थोड़ी देर बाद, हु इज़ दिस. मैंने कहा वो छोड़ो, आपको एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात बतानी है. ये थी मेरी ट्रिक.
Trust me, this is the video's high point. इसके बाद everything goes downhill.
तो उसने बोला क्या. अब यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ी देर हो गया गायब. उसके बाद मैंने उसको बोला कुछ नहीं, अब हो गया मैटर सॉल्व. अब जैसे ही मैंने उसको ये बोला तो उसके दिमाग में आएगा ना क्या मैटर था भाई, क्या बात बतानी थी.
Again, I don't know who this guy is talking to, but if someone messages me कुछ urgent बोलना था and I don't have that person का number, I'm just gonna be like, okay, fine, मत बोल. Also, I'm blocking you. I really don't know how this girl is curious, girl or guy. I don't know who's on the other side, genuinely.
तो उसने पूछा बट मैटर क्या है. मैंने कहा एनीथिंग विच ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इज कॉल्ड मैटर.
अबे साले.
Ha, OMG, you killed me. That was so funny. Ha. This is how the conversation goes. This is what's there on YouTube. No wonder everyone's single.
अगर आपने केमिस्ट्री पढ़ी होगी या थोड़ा बहुत भी पढ़ा होगा तो आपको पता होगा ये डेफिनेशन मैटर की है. तो उसने कहा हा केमिस्ट्री वाला नहीं पूछा मैंने. तो मैंने कहा तो इंग्लिश वाला बताऊं. अब वो आ गई भैया. तो उसने बोला तुम अपना नाम बताओ. मैंने कहा बता दूंगा बट एक शर्त पर. कहती है क्या? मैंने कहा उसके बाद ये नहीं पूछोगी कि मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला। तो उसने कहा ओके।
Yes, cause why not? Like that girl is, and genuinely, like she's more interested in knowing this dude का नाम and like not giving a shit कि bro मेरा number इसको कैसे मिला and ये सड़ाना क्यों है? Like I'm pretty sure this conversation is between two guys, cause I don't think someone's gonna respond to क्या matter है with chemistry का definition and saying OMG that was so funny, ha ha ha, you rock my world.
मुझे नहीं लगा था कि ओके कहेगी, मुझे लगा था बोलेगी नहीं क्यों नहीं पूछूंगी। तो मैंने उसको कहा रणवीर, जबकि मेरा नाम ये नहीं है। तो उसने कहा सिंह। मैंने कहा तुम्हारी किस्मत इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं है।
Ha ha ha, OMG that's so funny, OMG you rock my world, OMG my stomach's hurting, OMG I don't know you did stand up comedy, OMG.
तो उसने कहा अब सीरियसली बता दो। मैंने कहा चलो फिर हॉस्पिटल में सीरियसली बताऊंगा। तो कहती है हे भगवान, तो ऐसा करो मजाक में ही बता दो। तो मैंने कहा तो फिर कॉमेडी सर्कस चलते हैं।
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप। हाँ भाई यही बाकी था। क्या होगा इन लोगों का।
तो उसने कहा यार सारी बातों का जवाब पहले से सोच कर आए हो क्या? मैंने कहा आप सब एक्सपेक्टेड बातें बोल रहे हो, कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड बोलो। तो उसने बोला क्या बोलूँ? मैंने कहा आई लाइक यू बोल दो, मैंने बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया है।
I too genuinely believe that this guy is talking to himself. Cause if there exists a human being जो ये सब का reply देगी and will have a conversation with this guy when he's talking इतना कचरा, मतलब dude क्या कर रहा है? कौन ऐसे बात करता है? What the fuck is this going on?
उसने कहा अच्छा एक बात बताओ कि सही में कुछ बात बतानी थी क्या आपको?
So like I don't understand this thing that the girl is saying कि अरे what was the important thing that you're supposed to tell me? Bro, you don't even know who this person is. Why are you इतना interested? I am pretty sure it's the dude texting himself. Like it's the dude or it's one of his boys or I don't know who it is, but I'm pretty sure no girl in the right mind is gonna entertain texts from strangers. No guy would also, but like still.
मैंने कहा हाँ। उसने पूछा क्या? मैंने कहा मुझे एक सीक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है कि तुम्हारा दिल चोरी होने वाला है, मुझे दे दो संभाल कर रखूंगा।
Have you ever gone back and looked at your Purana chats? Like, let's say if you're 20, when you were 16 or when you were 15, this is what it sounds like. Even though I don't talk like this, I never talk like this. But it's just, this video should be titled appropriately saying that this is how you're not supposed to talk to a stranger. Because in real life, if you talk to someone like this, you will get arrested, you will get hit, or you will get like deported to some place. I'm just gonna skip through this and get to like the good part. Basically again this guy ends the video on saying ke this is it, this is how you're supposed to approach an unknown girl, message her, which is wrong. I'll tell you how you're supposed to approach someone you've never spoken to. Don't. Why the fuck do you want to go to jail? So that is it for today's video. I know this was a little off topic, sort of. I'm still trying to get new content out to you guys, and this was a little in the moment video. So I hope you guys like this video, and everyone who's got Valentine's Day plans, please don't make them. Okay? Why the fuck do you want to get beat up by Bajrang Dal? Like, mat karo. And for everyone else who's still watching this video, don't hate on these guys if you ever gonna watch. And don't randomly message anyone if you don't have a Valentine. It's okay. I can't relate to that, obviously. I can. Just don't rub it in my face. I will see you guys next week with another video. I'm trying to make one video a week at least. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.